Hey everybody, welcome back to Pro Carry Trucker. Putting on the finishing touches here on the F-150. Can't get real good there. Currently doing the windshield washer reservoir. Of course, I've got doing the tank, so it looks almost like windshield washer fluid. The top's got a black lid. I'm going to do the caps in yellow. Oh no, that's a dual cap. That said windshield washer reservoir, but that looks more like a brake. And there's the brake master cylinder. That's just odd for a windshield washer fluid. Fluid reservoir. But I'm going to do the caps in yellow. Got to put the tires on it yet. Got to put the lenses in the headlights. Got to put the tail lights on. I may need to touch up a couple spots here. See if I can get it to show on camera here. Yeah, a couple spots where I've knocked some paint off. I got to touch up. Highlight the F-150. I need to highlight the door hinges, the handles. I am going to probably highlight or go over the fuel doors. Not sure if I'll do them in black, chrome, or what, but I think I'm going to do those in a different color. Been a pretty good kit so far. Went together fairly nice. I actually got the windshield in. This is hopefully it stays this way, but this is the first time I've gotten a windshield in and the glue has not hazed over the windshield. So hopefully that stays like that. But see about getting this finished up tonight, get the bench cleat off, and start in on my next one. Appreciate you watching. Catch you on the next video.